The Aquatic Friends by Penelope. There was a girl called Helen who loved to go down to the ocean. And one day she heard some singing. "I wonder where that singing is coming from." When she saw who was singing, she wanted to yell. Helen tried to run, but her legs would not listen. "Keep calm, me." So she gathered up her courage and... Hello? Splash! "Hey, wait, come back. I won't hurt you." Slowly the mermaid came up from the water. "I'm Sabrina. Hello." "Hi, I'm Helen." A few minutes later, they became fast friends. But they did not know that a jailbird called Chuck was spying on them. "Yeah, hello, Sabrina." That mermaid could be worth millions of dollars. He wanted to get a closer look, but dang it, splash. "That was funny, giggle, ha ha." Meanwhile, Helen and Sabrina were about to say goodbye. "Here, take this necklace. It allows you to breathe underwater to visit me." "Thank you." Sabrina, while sleeping, was captured. "What on earth am I doing here?" says the crab. Chuck captured them and brought him to his base. Almost there. The next day, "Sabrina was supposed to meet me here. I know what happened. Me too." "Not me." The fish told her what happened. "He took the mermaid and went to his base. He also stole their parents and a crab. So that is what happened. I'm going to go find my friend." The fish also told Helen that Chuck mumbled where his base was at North Mountain. "Excuse me, sir, but do you know where North Mountain is?" "I ain't telling you. Not in a million years will I go to North Mountain. It's haunted." Meanwhile, Sabrina woke up in an aquarium tank. "You're in my base at North Mountain. I am Chuck. I captured you at midnight." "Where am I? Where's Helen?" Back in town, Helen finally found directions to North Mountain. "I think he said to take a right here. Finally, Sabrina, here I come." "Why did you capture me and keep me alive?" "Well, alive? No one's ever caught a live mermaid. Captured because, well, no one's ever caught a mermaid." Suddenly, knock, knock, knock. "Who's that?" "Helen!" "Sabrina, I missed you so much. Dad, Mom, Son, Patrick, John." "I miss you too, Helen." "No! FYI, the police followed me and they will arrest you. Ha ha ha! Hands up!" The next day, "Boot it, Chuck." "Yes." "Yes, we shall. Shall we have ice cream?" That night, Sabrina, "Chuck is in jail." This news is from Merton Reef. Yippee! Helen, "Chuck went to Cenarbro Dungeons." Hooray! Yes! "This ring will put into a mermaid whenever it will help you." "Oh, this ring, when you turn it, will turn you into a mermaid whenever you want." "Thanks. Can I come?" "I forgot my singing practice. I'm late. I wish I went to my singing practice earlier." Here she is singing. La 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 la. Bravo! Bravo! After. So do you want to meet here Tuesday? Sure. Next day. Weeping. I wonder what Chuck is doing. Oh, there's Chuck. I don't deserve this. He's in jail. That's a fun story.